this video, I will show you how you can check your application status for USPS. So if you have applied for the job, here's how you can check it. Simply open up Chrome. In the search bar, search for USPS application status. After that, you will get this create a profile and apply type URL. Simply click on it. From here, you can scroll down below. So here you will find create a profile section, but since you have already created a profile and then applied for the job, scroll down below some more. There you will find login to your account. Click on profile login. Click on continue. From here, put in your username and your password, then simply sign in. Once you're signed in, you can simply click on the job opportunity section from the menu bar. There you will find my applications. Click on it. There you will find the list of applications for the jobs that you have applied to. Simply click on it, then you can find in which stage you are. Are you being screened, or are you up for an exam? Are you up for interview? And that's it. That is how you can check your application status for USPS. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.